Hey everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing another Honest Slime Shop review, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. It's going to be Underrated Edition. So I will be reviewing a bunch of slimes from Underrated Slimers on Instagram, and I have at least 4 parts planned in this mini series, so be sure to subscribe and press the bell icon so you get a notification every single time I upload. First up, we have Artismo Slimes. I ordered 1 slime from her restock back in June, and since I was first, I got 2 free 6-ounce slimes, which is such a great deal. She included an extra bag, a couple pieces of candy, an order sheet telling me what I got, including the prices and everything, and then each slime came bubble wrapped, and it also came wrapped with red tissue paper and blue and white string, which was really cute and unique. The first slime is Blue Lagoon. It came with a cute little charm, but unfortunately the tape was also taped onto her logo, so I would suggest and recommend putting the bag on the side of the container instead of directly on the lid, because this did happen and it wasn't a big deal. I was able to fix it, but that's just something to keep in mind. Blue Lagoon is a DIY butter microfoam. I'm pretty sure she invented this texture. It is so cool. And she honestly slayed with this slime. There's absolutely no bead fallout, and the slime did not come sticky at all, which is very impressive. The scent is incredible. To me, it smells just like real fruit punch, not super fake and artificial. It also makes great soft crunches and is extremely holdable, which I always appreciate in a microfoam. So I really loved this slime. The second slime I got from Mia is Sunbum Thicky, and holy cow, this is super creative. I love the inspiration behind this thick and glossy slime. To me, it smells just like the sunscreen, which is such a compliment. I love the smell of Sunbum sunscreen. I love the sprinkles and monkey Fimo slices because they're super cute and they obviously match the aesthetic of Sunbum. To me, this was more soft, clicky, and glossy and not the thickest slime I've ever touched, but it's still really fun to play with. It's also stretchy and makes great bubble pops. The last slime for Mia is Coconut Raspberry Lemonade. This is such a perfect cloud slime. It came like as a tri-colored cloud and it had cute sprinkles on the bottom. The scent was super yummy. It smelled just like lemonade to me. It has very nice drizzles and is a super dense cloud slime, but it fluffs up almost effortlessly and it leaves virtually no snow residue on your fingers or your surface. Next up, we have a couple of slimes from Mermaid Slimes. First up, we have a custom slime. She told me about how good her white glue snowfish slimes were, so, I had to get one. I asked for a chocolate chip cookie crisp situation. I'm just addicted to all chocolate chip cookie slimes. So I asked her to make me a slime that would represent chocolate chip cookies, and that's exactly what she did. This is a light brown white glue snow fizz that smells just like chocolate, and it's super creamy and sizzly and soft. It does not hurt your hands, and it's just a really creamy white glue snow fizz that makes great bubble pops and sizzles, and it also inflates a ton. The second slime from her is Fruit Loop Marshmallow. This is a really, really soft and fluffy butter slime. This is probably one of the softest and creamiest butter slimes I own at the moment. I love how she included the extra Fruit Loop Fimos on the side for me to add myself. And overall, this is just a really cute slime, and I play with it every day. I also thought it'd be fun to add some blue glitters to it just to give it a little bit more of like a cereal dusting on top. Next up, we have Honey Bear Slimes. I ordered Reese's Pieces, and it came with this really fun extra bag because I was her second order, so I also got a free 1.5 ounce slime, and it also came with a nice note. In this extra bag, we had a few pieces of candy, a squishy, some holographic glitters, a packet of borax, and then the mini slime. I don't think I've said this before, but I love mini slimes so much. It's a white glue bingsu, and to me, I think it smells like cherry. Oh my gosh, I could be wrong. I might be remembering incorrectly, but it smelled really good, was super crispy and bubbly, and overall really fun to play with. Now getting on to the slime I ordered, Reese's Pieces is a super thick, creamy, soft, and clicky slime, and I'm in love with it. The scent smells just like brownies, and it has these cute foam beads for add-ins. This texture is honestly so unique. I haven't felt a slime like this before. It's just a really creamy and thick, glossy slime, and it's super good. Last but not least, we have a slime from the Peachtree Slimes. I decided to get salted snickerdoodles. This is a sizzly white glue slime that feels like a white glue icy, which is insane. It's super cool and it feels super sizzly and soft. In the video, it is a little bit wet, but the more you play with it, the more of a cloud cream it becomes. It becomes a lot more dry the more you play with it. So in the video, you can see it is leaving a little bit of residue on my surface, but this surface is really sensitive when it comes to icy slimes or any slime with snow in it, so just ignore that because it doesn't act like that on any other surface I have played with it on, so it's not a big deal. It smells just like snickerdoodle cookies, which is a really good scent.